Uh, Hi, this is Ashu Bagri. I'm a technical analyst for last 20 years. Today I'll show you I'm giving intraday calls in Indian stock market. Today I've given a buy call on Bosch. Looking at my Falcon, I'll show you the Falcon and what call I have given today, so you can watch it right now. Uh, See here, I have given Bosch intraday buy and it is showing a new high to 98 4% up. This is the intraday chart of Bosch, and if you want to prove, I have already given it. Buy Bosch 1227, stop loss this, target this intraday at 11:30. Now it is 11:46, so 15 minutes before I have given this call. And Bosch is, if you see, it's making a new high and a new time high. This is the chart of C. Let's see what happens today, whether we go right or wrong on intraday. Okay, thank you.